In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to make money with Trendqash agency. So the first step is to register, and you can check out the link in description to register. So we'll be creating a new account so that I can show you how you can make money through affiliate marketing, watching videos and clicking ads, and also filling up questionnaires. So the first step is to enter your username, then enter your email address. So after entering your email address, enter your phone number, and then enter your country and then password. So you can generate your own password and make sure that it's a strong password. For your password, make sure that you use a capital letter, a small letter, and also any symbol or character like at, and then add some numbers, then click accept terms. So after that, you need to activate your account. So since someone is already using this username, I need to change my username to that, and then it will work. So after registering and accepting my username, the next step is to make the payment. So you will click initiate payment, and then you will get a push notification on your smartphone, and then you will enter your password, and let's wait for the payment to be approved. So I've already made the payment and it was successful. As you can see, I got an instant profit of 150 shillings. So you invest 550, and when you invest, you get a welcome bonus of 150 Kenya shillings. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and it's super simple. You can check out after registering through the link below in the description and activating your account. Let's now go through the menu so that you can know how to utilize this platform. So on the left side, you will see dashboard, which is where we are at the moment. You can see, and you can make money through YouTube earnings, Netflix ads balance, TikTok earning, Instagram reels, and also through affiliate marketing. So for you to refer people, you can use this link here. You'll just copy link, and then you will use it to refer people and also make money with affiliate marketing. So this is the weekly program. On Monday, there are trivia questions. So trivia questions are questionnaires that I told you. You can make money by answering trivia question, very simple questions. And also on Tuesday, you can do TikTok videos, Wednesday, YouTube videos, Thursday, Instagram reels, Friday ads, and also Sunday, we have Instagram reels. So for you to check out all these questionnaires, you'll come here and click on trivia question in the left bar, or you can click on this platform here at the top, these three lines, and it will bring you here. Now you can check out on trivia question, click on that, and then click on partake trivia questions. So as you can see, trivia is only accessible on Monday from 8 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So for today, we will not have access to the trivia questions. So let's go into YouTube videos. You will click watch, and you'll be able to access the videos. So you can see we have 2 videos here, and you can watch them and claim your earnings. So the first one is here. You will watch it and then click on claim earnings. So let's wait for it to load, then we'll watch it and claim our earnings. So after watching, you can just click on claim earnings, and you will get money after watching the video. It will be credited into your dashboard. So as you can see, you have successfully claimed your earnings for YouTube video 1, and also you can also claim earnings for video 2. So you can see you have successfully claimed your earnings for video 2. Let's go into the dashboard and see if we have some money there. So let's check out if we have some money. As you can see, my profit now is 195. I was able to make 45 shillings from the YouTube videos. Now let's go into TikTok videos. You will also click watch. So next week also we'll be doing the same, watching the videos, claiming earnings. So after watching the videos, you can just click claim earnings for video 1. And when you click that, you will be able to see a notification that you have successfully claimed your earnings for video 1. Same case to video 2, you will do so. Click on that and you will be able to claim earnings for video 2. So that is simple as that. Now, we also have ebooks and also Forex, advanced Forex. So for Forex, this is very risky. Just learn about Forex. So here you learn about Forex trading, but don't invest your money unless you are very good in doing Forex. Let me now show you how you can know about your referral. So when you go to downlines, yeah, but before that, let's go to the dashboard and see if we were able to get earnings for TikTok. So as you can see, now I have profit of 240 Kenya shillings, and that is from TikTok earnings and also YouTube earnings. So as you can see, it's working. So you'll get profit, and when you refer someone, it will reflect in the account balance. And also you will be able to withdraw the welcome bonus after you have been able to refer some people to your affiliate program. So in downlines, you'll be able to see your level 1 here, the active members, and in your level 1 you will earn 300 Kenya shillings when you refer someone to join Trendqash agency. So that means that you will be able to make 300 shillings and you also have 150. So you'll be having 450 shillings. So from just one person, you are almost 90% recovery of your capital. In your level 2, you will earn 100 shillings. So if you refer James and James refers Mary, Mary will be your level 2 and you will also earn. So from the work of James, you will be able to earn. Same case to Mary. Mary is your level 2. And when Mary refers Peter, you will earn 50 shillings. So you will be earning from the work of other people, and this is super simple. Imagine just paying 550 Kenya shillings, or even it's still $75, it's around $4, and it's working from anywhere. So if you want to get started, you can just register through the link that I've left in the description, and it's super simple. So always come to dashboard, and for you to get referrals, use platform like TikTok or even YouTube and create content. For example, like this on how to make money with Trendqash, because people are searching for such content. So if you want to make good referrals, make sure you use social media platforms. Like for example, we have Facebook. If you don't want to show your face, use Facebook. Make some posts there, use Instagram. People are looking for ways to make money online right now. So make sure that you maximize the search engine also, because people are searching for how to make money with Trendqash. So utilize that and then drive traffic into your affiliate link that I just shared. So go and practice this and you'll see money coming. So if you are able to refer at least 5 people even per week, that is 1500, that is $15. So, and imagine that 500 shillings is so affordable. If you refer 20 people, 20 times 300 is 6,000 Kenya shillings in just 1 week. So go ahead, start making money, because this is the quickest way you can make money. Make some videos on TikTok, and this business is blowing because people find it easy and it's very cheap to get started with. So make sure you should subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to learn more on how you can make money online.